Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a 10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson V8 from the charging dock to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button firmly and slide the battery out of its compartment. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that the button is fully pressed. Once the battery is removed, set it aside and take a moment to inspect the battery compartment for any dust or debris. Using your soft cloth, gently wipe the interior to ensure a clean environment for the new battery. If you find that your vacuum has been losing suction, it may be time to replace the filters as well. To access the filters, locate the filter cover on the top of the vacuum. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic. Once the cover is off, you will see the pre-motor filter and the post-motor filter. Remove both filters by pulling them out gently. Rinse the pre-motor filter under cold water until the water runs clear and allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours. The post-motor filter can be replaced directly if it is worn out. If you need assistance with this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's focus on installing the new battery. Take your new battery and align it with the compartment. Slide it in until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. Reattach the filter cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Ensure that both filters are seated correctly to avoid any issues during operation. Before you finish, it's a good idea to give your Dyson V8 a thorough clean. Use a soft brush to remove any hair or debris from the brush bar and check the wheels for any blockages. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, plug your Dyson V8 back into the charging dock and allow it to charge fully before using it again. If you have any concerns about the performance of your vacuum, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This ensures you know exactly what to expect before any work is done. By following these steps, you can ensure your Dyson V8 operates at peak performance, providing you with the best cleaning experience possible. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.